Suppose if you get a drawing with blocks exploded or with a number of copied geometry, the only solution is to block a geometry and then copy it onto respective locations, which is a tedious procedure. Blockify command looks into the drawing for repeated geometry and converts instances of this geometry in the drawing to block references. I'll click on Blockify from the ribbon. Now you have Blockify panel. Here you will see a number of settings. Each of the settings can be enabled or disabled. If you click on Search Entire Drawing, your search space will be treated as the entire drawing. When Use Default Insertion Point is selected, the application automatically assigns the insertion point while creating the block definition. Use Default Block Name uses the default block name specified in the Settings dialog. When Compare Geometry option is checked, Bricscat compares only the geometry and the properties such as color, layer, line type, etc. will be ignored. Convert Unique Solids. Convert solids into blocks when they occur only once. When the Show Preview is on, shows the preview of the matches in the drawing. Tolerance specifies the relative tolerance for determining whether two entities are equal. Now, I am asked to select the source entities. I'll select all the entities in the chair, give enter. Now you are asked to select the block insertion point. I'll pick this midpoint as the insertion point of the block. Now the software is trying to locate similar geometry in the drawing. The software has found 275 matches for the selected entities. Now you are asked to specify a block name. I'll give chair 1 as the block name. Give enter. Now you can see that all the similar geometry is identified and indicated with the green tick mark. Now you can select matches or replace with the block reference. I want to replace similar geometry with block references. So give an enter. Now 275 block references are inserted at respective locations. Next we will see how to perform Blockify command matching to existing block definitions in the drawing. In this drawing, there is a block with the name chair 1. I'll give insert command and you can see that block definition here. I'll give Blockify command. Now I am asked to select the entities. I'll select this chair, give enter. Now you have got a message using existing block definition chair 1 because the selected geometry matches with an existing block definition in the drawing. Next I am asked to select the search space. I'll define the search space using a window. Give enter. Now you can see that software has identified all these similar geometry. Now I'll replace this geometry with the block reference. Give an enter. Now all the matching geometry is replaced with the corresponding block references. Block name and insertion point is taken from the existing block. Next we will execute Blockify command on this 3D solid. Click on Blockify. Now I'll click on Match Equal Solids option. Now I am asked to select the search space. I'll give enter to select the entire drawing. Now I've got a message that found one group containing 6 solids. Means these 6 matching solids are identified. Now I'm asked to give a block name. I'll give hex bolt as the block name. Give enter. Now I'll click on replace to replace all these matching solids with block references. When you choose equal solids option in Blockify command, the software searches the entire drawing for equal solids, creates a block definition of these solids with the given block name, and these solids are replaced with the block references. Now when you hover the mouse on this solid, you can see that it is converted as a block reference. Find collections option of Blockify command finds collections of block references and combine them into a new nested block. In this drawing, there are 2 blocks. There is a chair block as well as a table block. Now I'm going to give Blockify. When I'm asked to select the source entities, I'll click on Find Collections option. Now I'm asked to select the search space. I'll give enter to select the entire drawing. Now you can see that there are two collections found. Create blocks from collections, and you will also get a Find Collections panel. In this panel, you can see the preview of the collections identified by the software. The 5 collections, 8 entities each is selected. You can see the collections of table blocks, and there are 5 occurrences of this collection. And when you click on show, the first item in the collection is shown. When you click on this arrow, the second item is shown. Likewise, you can switch from one item to another. If you want to remove a particular item from the collection, you can click on remove option. Now I'll click on create to create a block from these collections. Now you have got the message that created a new block definition block and inserted 5 block references. When you click on this block, you can see that all the table blocks got combined as a single nested block. Likewise, you can see 5 occurrences. This completes the tutorial on Blockify command in BricsCAD. Thanks for your time.